sa inyong lahat. Today is a beautiful day. Not just because we're launching something new, but because we're celebrating you. When we imagined RCBC Tap to Phone, we weren't just thinking about shiny tech or flashy features. We were thinking about the hardworking mom running her sari-sari store, the weekend food stall that never fails to show up, rain or shine, the young entrepreneur making her first sale at a bazaar. We were thinking about all the quiet, powerful stories behind every small business. Tap to Phone was built with you in mind. No machines, no wires, just your smartphone and the courage you already carry every day. Because we believe that doing business shouldn't be complicated, it should be as simple as a tap. More than that, it should be inclusive, because innovation should never be limited to those who have more. It should lift everyone. We know what it's like to lose a sale because of, I have no change. Or to say no to a customer who wants to pay digitally, but it's too expensive, or it's too technical to set up. That ends today. RCBC is officially launching RCBC Tap to Phone, a groundbreaking solution that turns an NFC-enabled Android phone into a secure payment acceptance terminal, making it the first of its kind by a bank in the Philippines. With Tap to Phone, you want every tindera, every vendor, every rider, every dreamer to know you can now say yes. You can now say, I can do it. This isn't just a payment tool, it's an equalizer. It's a way to bring more people into the formal economy, to open doors that have been closed for too long, to help our small businesses grow stronger, earn faster, and serve better. So as you walk around today, I hope you can see more than just booths. I hope you see the faces of people embracing change, welcoming growth, and stepping into their power. To all of our entrepreneurs here, we see you, we celebrate you, and we stand beside you. We're not just launching a product, we're launching hope. We're launching a future where no one is left behind. And now, welcome to the official launch of RCBC Tap to Phone.
Yeah! Thank you so much, Sir RJ, for